So I got just 500 views in one of my YouTube video, and you won't believe how much YouTube paid me for it right here in Nigeria. Was it a big payday? Was it completely disappointing? In this video, I'm going to break it down, how much I earned, why the amount might surprise you, and what you need to understand about YouTube revenue in 2025. Whether you are a small YouTuber or you're just curious about the money behind the views, stay with me to the end. The truth might shock you. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods I can work from home and make passive income online. If you are interested, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. And if you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop a comment in the comment section. Before we dive in, you need to understand the criteria that needs to meet before you start making money from YouTube. Number one, you need to have 1,000 subscribers. Number two, you must have 4,000 watch hour. And you must follow YouTube monetization policy. Before then, you become a YouTube partnership creator. So let's dive into how much YouTube pay me for just 500 views in this particular video. So I'm going to open my YouTube studio now to show you the breakdown. So I'll open my YouTube studio, then I'll click on content. I'll click on view all. I'm going to scroll down to search for that video that I want to show you. So this is the video, how to get free stuff on Temu in 2025. I'm going to click on that video to get details about the video. So the title of the video is how to get free stuff on Temu in 2025, step-by-step guide that works. This video was uploaded 5th of June 2025. Video performance. Currently now this video is ranking 3 of 10, which is good. Impression click-through rate 10.1%, which is very good. Average view duration 2 minutes 9 seconds, which is not that good, although it was more than this, but it has decreased. So I will click on it to get more information. So currently now the total view of this video is 526 views. That is the total view that this video has gotten as of now. The watch time hour 18.9. that is the watch hour that this video has gotten. Subscribers 3, so the subscriber is not that encouraging. If I scroll down, read time, that is the current views I've gotten in the last 48 hours. I've only gotten 27, so the views have dropped down. So I'm going to click on reach. Impression reach, I've gotten about 4.1k impression reach, which means about 4,100 people have seen my thumbnail on YouTube. Impression click-through rates, I've talked about this before, 10.1%, which is very good. Unique views 439. Alright, so if I second down how viewers find this video, how people find this video, if I click on it, I can be able to get the full details on how people get access to this video. So the number one way is YouTube search. This one got about 6.8%. The next one is browse features. Then the next one is notification. Then other YouTube features, direct and unknown, suggested videos, channel pages, related shorts, playlists. So these are the ways people are getting access to this my video. YouTube search term, the terms people are searching that they are using to find this video. So if I click on this, I can be able to get, so these are the different terms people are searching to get this my video. So the first one is how to get free stuff on Temu, to get free item on Temu, Temu hack, how to get free item on Temu, Temu hack, how to get free stuff from Temu. So these are the different things people are searching to get access to this my video, how to see this my video. So if you want to do this kind of video, you can use some of these terms to do your research so that people will see your videos. Alright, so content suggesting this video, content that people are watching, and after they finish watching that content, then this my video will come up. These are the different contents. Then playlist featuring this video. Now playlist is also very important. That's why you need to create a playlist for your videos, because from your playlist if somebody watch a video that you add to a playlist, it can suggest other videos in the same category with that playlist. So that's why it's very important that you create a playlist, because it will increase your views and your watch time. So you can see the playlist that is suggesting this video: business training and opportunities. So that is the playlist I added this video to. Now if I click on engagement, so I've talked about the watch time before. Average view duration, so this is average view duration, so it has dropped. It was more than this before. Now if I go to audience, returning viewers 104. There is people that have watched my videos before and they return to watch this particular video, although it has dropped down. Videos as viewers also watch and they also watch this my particular video, so you can see the different videos. So although most of them are also my videos. Divorce type, the type of divorce people are using to watch this video. The first one is mobile, then TV, computer and tablet. Age range, there's no information for the age range. The gender, there is no information for the gender. Top geographical location, so the countries that people are watching this particular video from. So we have Nigeria. Watch time from subscribers. Non-subscribers is 74.4%. Then subscriber is 25.6%. So we'll have more of non-subscribers that are watching this my video. So if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, because I need more of you to subscribe so that I can be able to do more videos like this. So let's go to the main core of the day, which is the revenue. So I'm going to click on the revenue. Currently now, the estimated revenue, how much I've making total from this video, is $8.12. So let's scroll down to see the breakdown. Come to video performance. The revenue per 1k views, how much YouTube pay me for every 1000 view in this video is $16.05, which is very high compared to other ones. So you can see it here, $16.05 for every 1000 view. So this is very high for a video of just 5 minutes. Now in total I've made $8.12 from this video, and this is the views. It's just 506 views that gave me the $8.05. Now if you come to how much advertisers are paying for this particular video for every 1000 view, which is the CPM, is $24.33, which is very high. So after YouTube have minus their percentage from it, then the RPM, which is the money YouTube pay me for every 1000 view, is $16.05, which is very good. So yes, for just 500 views, YouTube pay me a total of $8.12. This may not sound like millions, but this is a proof that YouTube actually pays even when the numbers are small. It can still bring in real money. If I can make $8.12 for just 500 views, so just imagine when you start getting thousands or even millions of views, how much are you going to make from your content? So to every small YouTuber out there, stay focused on creating valuable content, stay consistent, and your breakthrough will come. If this video encouraged you or taught you something new, hit that like button and also drop a comment in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get a notification. So I will see you in my next video.